Okay, so I just tripped. This looks like it was a wall, and right there is a hump in the floor. So watch your step, because it's about an inch. Almost fell flat on my face. Let's see here. And another bedroom. Pretty big. Also with a hump. This must have been an add-on at some point. Same hump in the floor. You can see where the carpet rolls. And this is the master, because it has a bathroom in it and a closet. Oh, carpet in a bathroom. You never want carpet in a bathroom. I would rip that up. Because water damage on the floor, which they must not use it because it looks good. But nobody wants carpet in their bathroom.